Well, good morning. Like what I've said, same the direction. The direction is the same. You will expect me as to support the governor of Negros Oriental, si Governor Chaco. At the same time, I'll be empowering also other mayors for the request. And also, sa akong gingon ninyo, murag partially nasulti na ni Governor Chaco na I will be yan yata sa ako ang vice chair on committee on peace and order. Like what I've said, seryoso na to ang droga din sa Leyte. Pinakagamay nga pusher at pinakadako nga pusher. Not only pusher, will go after the user also. And we will muhangyo ko sa ginikanan sa mga inyong mga anak kung nasa droga. Mo-assume na raba ko sa Lunis. And then I will be, with the guidance of Governor Chaco, with the approval of the governor, I will be meeting with the head of the NBI, head of CIDG, and the provincial director. I will be makikistorya ko nila. Unya, mo-coordinate ko sa local intelligence community. And sa first week, sigurado ko walay mo undang. Bahalag to 36 hours may magdakop tatanong. Muna akong gay pasalig ninyo. This is a very risky job. But kung it's out of my job as legislator, but moving akong hangyo ni Governor Chaco, let me be the member as vice chairman of the peace and order. And then it is also stated in the local government code as the duties of the vice governor of the office of the vice governor stated that they should be in control ang atong lawlessness, in control ang atong peace and order, also the drugs also dapat makontrol sa nasa atong local government code. But ako rang palabuan pa ang atong trabaho, ato pang butuso pa ako sa kalakang. So seryoso ni Roy, ako gabinuang basta musulti ko maki-coordinate lang ko because there is a mga agency, but there may task force, ang task force Octopus, but dili na ko apil atong mga sand and gravel kuan ato focus ra ko sa criminality. I'll be focusing on the criminality.
Aksyon! Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.